Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. It's actually a print merge file, and of course I made all the names the same, but all the names would be different. I never have used print merge. I don't do that much of that type of stuff. But his concern is this rectangle is going to cut out twice on the edge. This line and this line and this line and this line are going to cut twice, and he's worried about laser splashback on that double line. It doesn't need to be double, and it's just going to add a little extra char. So what I would do is select them all, go up to arrange, and go to convert them to a curve. Now every one of these is a curve, and I got my nudge factor. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 3 inches, and I'm going to move this box up 3 inches. I need to get rid of this line. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Take your shape tool, select those two, right click your mouse, and break apart. And then you see these arrows. And I find it just easier just to move them out of the way, select them, and hit delete. And then just put it right back. Now this one, we need to move this top line. So let's move it down. Take our shape tool, select both top nodes, right click, break apart, and you're going to see these nodes that kind of make this arrow, and then just delete that, and then move this, take your pick tool and move that back up. That way these two name tags will only cut out this line once and this line once, and then just continue doing that for the next ones. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Not sure it solved his problem, but thank you for watching.